Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a shareable URL link for a PDF document using Google Drive. Let's get straight to it. First, open your browser and head over to Google Drive. If your PDF isn't uploaded yet, click the New button in the top left corner, select File Upload, and choose the PDF document from your computer. Once your file is in your drive, locate it and right-click on the PDF. From the drop-down menu, hover over Share and then click Share again. A new window will pop up. Under the General Access section, you will see that it is set to Restricted by default. To create a public link, click on the word Restricted and change it to Anyone with the link. Once the access is updated, simply click the Copy Link button on the bottom left of that window, then click Done. That's it. You now have a working URL for your PDF that you can paste into an email, a chat, or your website. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point guides. Thanks for watching.